Porter steamed into the random ducks. Looking good as new. I saw Salty talking to an engine. Salty! Said Porter, I'm home. He chuckled. Arrgh, said Salty. Welcome back, me hearty. Rosie had to fill in for ya. Did she do a good job? Yes. I don't mind her too much herself on the ducks. Arrgh. Oh yeah, Random Ducks does give us the feeling Rebecca's up with the Dukes. Oh no. Anyway, who's this fella? Porter, meet Eli. Hello. I'm so excited to finally meet you. Ah, nice to meet you too. No, I haven't met you before. You're busy. Salty tells me you're so busy something that we don't have time to chat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, said Porter. It's good to be busy. Arr, said Salty. Busy is dizzy. Oh, thank you so much for watching me, hearties.